In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana with your team. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to improve your collaboration with your team, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, making it easy to get started. First, let's head over to Asana. Open your web browser and navigate to Asana's homepage. Logging in will bring you to your main dashboard, where you can see all your recent activities and projects at a glance. This is your central hub in Asana, a powerful tool for managing projects and tasks collaboratively. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to locate My Workspace on the left side of the screen. Clicking on it will show you all the projects and tasks associated with your workspace, which is essentially where your team collaborates on various tasks. To start collaborating, you need to invite team members to your workspace. You can do this by entering their email addresses. There's a designated field for adding emails, making it simple to invite colleagues. Ensure you have the correct email addresses to avoid any invitation mishaps. Once you've entered the necessary emails, click Send to dispatch the invitations. It's a straightforward process that allows your team to join the workspace promptly. Alternatively, if you're looking to add a member, you might also notice a plus sign while viewing your workspace. This sign serves as a shortcut to add new members. It's another quick option that ensures your team can start collaborating immediately. If you'd like to organize your team around a specific project, click on your project. This takes you to the project-specific page, where all details and tasks related to that project are displayed. Here, you can gain a better overview of everything that needs to be done. In the project view, you should also see an overview section. Clicking on overview provides a snapshot of your project showing its progress and any key information at a glance. This overview not only helps in tracking, but also ensures everyone is aligned with the project's goals and timelines. If you wish to invite members directly to a specific project, look for the Add Member button. Just like in the workspace view, enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. Make sure you're adding people who will be directly responsible or involved in that specific project's tasks. Finally, after entering the email addresses for a project team, click Invite. This sends an invitation to your colleagues, enabling them to join the project and start contributing to its success immediately. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting your team set up and collaborating effectively using Asana. With these steps, you can manage your team and projects more efficiently, ensuring collaboration and productivity are at the forefront. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.